over a month with the Motorola G Stylus 2024 edition, and this is just a revisit of this phone. Introduced last month, I believe in July. This is the only budget phone that offers a stylus built in to the phone. Samsung, you should take notes from Motorola, at least for your folding phones. We got the Motorola we got the Motorola Razr 2023 over here. Finally, it's got Android 14.0. Stay tuned for that video. Very exciting. Unfortunately, it's been over a year though. Anyway, done with comments. Let's get back to this video here, right? The Motorola G Stylus 2024 did come in two colors. This one is the caramel latte version, and I think the phone's held up fairly well. We've gotten, I think, 2 updates since I've owned the phone. It's got a fingerprint reader right inside of, I think it's built-in fingerprint reader as well, if I'm not mistaken, right? In-screen fingerprint reader, really decent. It seems as though they, for really going into this, the price of the phone has dropped since purchasing this phone. I believe you can get this unlocked now at Best Buy for $340. Just throwing this guy back in here though, absolutely pretty cool phone, much different than the Motorola phone. $200 unlocked, has the in-screen fingerprint reader. Excellent phone, but this phone here offers a little more. It does offer built-in NFC, so you can do the tap to pay if you're looking to go with what Google Pay, right? So again, you're having the wallet app where you're able to tap to pay, and that's pretty cool. All right, on that note though, is this phone worth the amount of money? That's the real question here. Is it worth the $400 price mark, $399? Or you can get it, actually, I think like $350 now, a little less on Motorola's website. Really decent phone for what it is. And I mean, the nostalgia here for the G Stylus phones have always been the stylus itself. So you're not paying like over $1,000 for a phone. I really do like this if we're looking for like a budget phone this year. Motorola kind of went crazy and, you know, re-upped the design from last year. Still do think that this is a decent phone, and, you know, just looking at pretty much where we are now, if we're looking at the about system, you know, you got a 50 megapixel front facing camera, 13 megapixel, well, you have a 50 megapixel and a 13 megapixel camera in the back. In the front, you have a 32 megapixel selfie camera. Your display is 24 by 18. And it does have the latest up-to-date software. Again, you got to be very cautious though with Motorola, just because I have seen in the past that they're pretty slow at doing their software updates, where it's in August of 2024 right now. We got the June 1st update still. So I think they do their updates, you know, bi-monthly. So that means every other month or every 2 months. I really do think though this is a decent phone. I do like both of the colors. You have your caramel latte here, and surprisingly, what I'm about to show you guys is pretty cool, I think. We're going to go right into our front-facing camera. And there we go, guys. I'm actually recording this phone using the Scarlet Wave color of the Motorola G Stylus 2024. And it's also plugged in using the DJI mic, right? DJI mic 2. So, what do you guys think? Pretty much, it's plugged in with the DJI mic, mic 2, and I'm recording with the Motorola Scarlet Wave phone. Just for nostalgic, not exactly too sure how this video is going to pop out, but pretty decent, I think. Leave the comments down below. What do you guys think? Do you guys think that this phone here is any relevance anymore in 2024? It's the Motorola G Stylus 2024. Have you guys bought in this phone? Are you thinking about buying this phone? Really do think it's a decent phone if you can go through the carrier and get it for free. It's nice. It's a budget phone. It should at least give you a year or two using it. Comments down below. Thank you again. This is Consumer Compute, and I'll see you in my next video.